Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I just wanted to quickly show you some little things I did today. And while I sat in my craft room, the first one was just this little, I was doing a mason jar, and then when I was cutting it out using my We Are Memory Keepers punch board, it kind of looked like a vase or a vase to me. So I added some flowers, and it says, "Be persistent, never quit." And I just added some different flowers on that, like that. And then I just added the little gold on the bottom. I meant to put the gold up top, but where it was a vase, I decided not to. And then just on the back, I just put a couple little hole punched scallop circles. So that's that piece. I can put this on a card or just as it is and send it to someone like that. Thought that was really cool with "Be persistent, never quit." And then the first couple pieces I was making, I wanted to use my 3.5 by 6 books that I had. So I thought these were really cool and mason jars, and I just did the tips just a little different just to change them up, and I added some gold paper on the bottom, and it just says "Girl Boss," and added the twine on it. That one I just added some white cardstock on the back just to make it a little thicker, and same with that one. So just something a little different. I haven't made these before, so I wanted to give it a try. And then I did a couple shaker cards. So the first one is again the "Be Persistent, Never Quit." This paper pad, I really love this paper pad. See if I can find it here in a second. And I just added some of my sparkle to it. And then I just put another piece of paper on the back, or a piece of cardstock on the back that's from the same collection, and just added it. And used my Project Life heating tool there to do these ones. And then I did this one with "Just Thinking of You." And then nothing on the back of that one. That one is plain. And then this one is "Life is a Beautiful Ride." And then I did do it as a mason jar on this one, and I added the gold on the top and gold on the bottom. And put the bling bling on the inside and on the back. These ones here are the ones I was using. So this is the Wild Romantic from Recollections. And this one is the Boss Babe. So that's what I used in those. And for this one, I used the Fresh Bloom. So I wanted to start using some of these, and I thought if I could use the full page ones, that I could get some use at making some shakers out of them. So that is what I did for today. I hope you guys are all having a great day and that you're staying healthy and safe, and we'll see you in the next video.